it's Illinik here with another. Hey guys, it's Illinik here with another awesome unboxing, and today I have for you something pretty awesome. I've been looking for this for a while. Not looking for it like Thunder Libra, but just been, looking for it. And I finally found it. The Ben 10 Ultimatrix. And what ultimate means, last in the series. Ultimate's the final. That's what ultimate means. So ultimate Ultimatrix probably means the last Ultimatrix before they move on to whatever Matrix goes on. Matrix! Ooh. Yeah, I made a Matrix joke. I've seen that movie. It's got a try me feature, which is turn it, which is kind of hard to do because of the plastic. Lights up. Oh yeah. So yeah, there's pretty much nothing on the box. New box. Yeah. So let's open it up. Here. Okay. Pull this out. Here we have the instruction manual. And here we have the Ultimatrix in the flesh. Oh, that sucks. I thought this would be a button. Not a button. Oh, this looks awesome. Now, is there a try me feature? Yep. Right there. Right there. Get a better quality. Let you see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. And look how slim it is too. This would probably be really good for cosplay. But yeah, let's do it. That's for 1 second. Holding it for 3 seconds. More than 3 seconds now. Might have messed up, or it's the same one. Let's see what happens when you do it counter. Or let's see what happens when you do it clockwise, since I have counterclockwise. Same thing. Whoa, that's new. New. Okay. Cool. That you gotta admit that's cool. I'll turn off my light and see what it looks like without. Oh, it looks darkness. Darkness. Okay, that's pretty cool. Light on. But yeah, so it's got a Velcro strap. I know a lot of people probably do not like the Velcro. I really like the Velcro because it stays on better and it's easier to put on. Let's put it on my wrist and see how it works. But and it has this plastic right here, so it might make it harder for some people that have larger hands to put on. So that might So we can pop that back in. That was a really dumb move. So it's kind of okay. It's back on. So don't make it too tight. Let's know that. Or have somebody on the other side holding it down. There we go. It's pretty cool. Looks awesome. Oh, and by the way, I put on my right wrist. You're supposed to put on your left wrist, but I don't want to do that. So to make it easier, just take it off. And so something special that is in this. If you're a true die-hard fan of Ben 10 and you do not, and you want to buy it and find it out yourself, don't watch. But there's an azimuth symbol. An azimuth, what he did. It's his signature. And if you don't want to know what it is, then just leave. But if you do, here it is. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Right there. It says azimuth. Right. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have fun. Ultimatrix away. Yeah, sounds good.